Now let's talk about the most basic feature, or that could be the doubt of many, that you want to invoke the Claude Code by typing Claude text, and then without hitting the enter button, you start writing your prompt right after the Claude text. For example, here I'm writing a prompt like explain the full structure of this project. Press enter. Now it starts running the Claude and it asks me that what would you like me to explain? A few possibilities Claude suggests. So here I want overall project structure explanation. So I select option second, press enter. Now it starts reading the files. It starts generating the answer. So Claude basically explore all the folders inside this project. For example, here I can say that Claude read the app folder and all the TSX files inside these folders. So this is the outcome of my prompt. So Claude Code can do very powerful things. For example, if you want to ask some questions without being stuck in the CLI mode, then you could run that command with -p flag. So here, if I run the same prompt by adding -p flag just before the prompt, explain the overall structure of this project, then press enter, then this command still run the Claude Code but in the background without opening the CLI. It still do the same thing but in the background. Here we can see the output. Claude read all the files that are in my project bundle. Last but not the least, it is also very important to know that sometimes your editor crashed, or sometimes you accidentally closed the Claude Code, or you just need to go back to an older sessions, then you can do that using the resume command inside your Claude Code session. For example, here if I call resume command, then here you will see number of older sessions, and here I can jump to any of the sessions. Like right now I am selecting this, and this is the profile editing session, and you can continue there with all the context that belong to this particular session. So which is really super useful command. So if you know that you just want to continue with the last session you interacted with, then you can just start Claude Code with the -c command, and you can start work on with that last session. For example, here if I run Claude -c, Claude -c command, then you can say in the last command I chose this older session, profile session. So this was the last session in my case. Therefore, all these are the part of base usage. Obviously, there is so much that you can do, and definitely we will dive much deeper into some more advanced feature in this course. And of course, it is very important to have a general understanding about the tools, like how to use the tools and how we can configure these tools. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe for more related content. And if you have any doubt related to the video, then do comment. So happy coding and bye-bye.